But it definitely has the noise. Welcome back to Titan Town. Tonight we're going to do a review on two cold air intakes that I've had installed on my Nissan Titan. The Spectre Performance cold air intake, which you're looking at right now, and the AFE Magnum Force Stage 2. So looking at the two kits and the overall build quality, the quality of the Spectre is very high. There's nice fit and finish on all the parts. They look well built. And on the AFE, pretty much the same, but I would give the edge to the Spectre in this department. Now the next category I'm going to compare the two is price. So if you're paying full price for both kits, you're looking at almost double for the AFE Magnum Force kit. So once again, the Spectre wins in a category. The next category is going to be the filter. Now we're going to look at the filter for the AFE. It's a much bigger filter, and it has an inverted cone at the top, which allows for nice straight airflow through the side of the truck into the filter. And now we're looking at the Spectre, and I give this category to AFE. Next up, I'm going to look at the heat shield. Now the heat shield on the AFE was open to the driver's side, which let in hot air around the ends, and it did have a lid. The Spectre doesn't have a lid, but it seals to the hood. It also seals to the windshield washer bottle and right to the side of the truck. Next, we're going to listen to the sound of the Spectre cold air intake. So this is the truck with the Spectre cold air intake installed. Let's hear what it sounds like. There's definitely more growl here, and compared to the AFE, it's kind of similar in noise. It's actually a little bit better. It doesn't have the rattle or vibration that the other one did. But it definitely has the noise. That's what it does. But as far as performance wise, I haven't really tested that out yet. The butt dyno says it's awesome. My air fuel ratios are correct, whereas with the AFE it made it run really rich and killed my fuel mileage. Let's just slow back down to slow idle. You can hear it there, and you can really hear it when you hit it. That does have that little bit of resonance there, but it's not that bad, and it's only in a very narrow RPM range, a lot less than AFE. So very happy with the Spectre intake. So the Spectre takes the win in sound as well as fuel mileage. Here's a link for the AFE install and one for the Spectre install. One other issue I had with my AFE was that it caused a check engine light. So overall, I would rate the Spectre the better kit, and I would buy it again. Please like and subscribe.